Howdy ho, friends. Brad of Oh Boy Outdoor Adventures, or I think it's Oh Boy and Adventures, sent me a package in the mail. Kind of was not expecting that. Little backstory, Brad reminds me of a friend I used to hang out with in college. With that being said, I did bring a fire extinguisher. You never know. So there's a 50-50 chance this thing could explode on me. Let's crack her open, shall we? At first look, I thought for a minute he sent me a really nice stainless steel cook set, but obviously it is not that. Oh my, alright. Nothing's ticking. That, my friends, is a very good thing. I have not my glasses on, so I'm not... Oh, there we go. Yeah, we got to pop it open from here. Whoops. Oh, he put a note in there. Don't see any smoke. All right, here we go. Oh my God, he cracks me up. Okay. I have no... Oh, blue... Oh! Crap. Alright. I know exactly what all this is. Oh my goodness. First, he sent me this huge piece of hide. Look at this. That's freaking awesome, dude. Second, oh, what, the tactical butter knife on a lanyard. We actually did a video on this a while back. I thought it was pretty freaking cool. I mean, Brad cracks me up. I'm sorry. You have to check him out. These are like divining rods, and you can use them. I think I'm not sure what that was, but you can use these to find water, gold, precious metals. He did a video about that too a while back. You need to check that out. Actually, I'm going to play with these when I get done. Alright. I can see we don't need the fire extinguisher. What the heck? He sent me a polished railroad spike. And this is a very old one. Here, let me show you this up close real quick. Look at that. That is old and unused. Actually, to me, this is what I call a collector's item. Thanks, Brad. Actually, I will put this on the wall. I originally wanted to make a blade out of it, but I don't think I'm going to do that because this is just too darn good of condition. Oh my goodness. The PCs. He sent me a seasoning pack. This is Willie's Eat Your Beans. This ought to be interesting though, because I do enjoy trying new foods out. Oh, it's smoked beans. Okay, I know. Oh boy. Brad, I can't thank you enough for these gifts, man. It's actually pretty freaking cool. I think the rods right here are just awesome, man. I'm gonna play with these in the woods here in a bit. But thanks so much, brother. I wasn't expecting all this. Hang on a second. That was for Brad. He'll know what I was doing. Oh, these are awesome, brother. I appreciate it. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with this, though. That is some thick stuff. I'll come up with something. All right, friends. Just had to do a little unboxing from Brad there. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you get a chance, check out his channel. He's got a huge freaking teepee built in his backyard. He's also got one heck of a collection of tools. So that's Brad of Old Boy Adventures. And comments are more than welcome. Like always, friends, thanks for watching. I'm trying to try these out. Let's see if I remember. Just put them like this. Let's see.